All right, ladies, thinking about traveling solo? Maybe it's your first time and you're wondering, can I really do this on my own? Yes, girl, you totally can. Whether you're craving more peace, chasing adventure, or just want to break free and explore, solo travel is one of the best gifts you can give yourself. But it's not all about snapping pictures in front of the Eiffel Tower. We're talking about doing it smart, safe, and stress-free. Welcome to Empower Your Journey, where we bring you travel tips, ways to make money, and everything you need to live your best, most adventurous life. Hit that subscribe button if you're ready to travel smart, earn more, and live free, because this is the start of a beautiful adventure. First up, choosing your destination. This part is all about you. Safety is always number one, but don't forget that travel should also be about fun and freedom. Here's how to pick the perfect spot. For safety, do your homework. Check out recent news, read travel blogs, and look up tips for women traveling solo in that region, especially if you are a Black woman. Some cities have a more welcoming vibe than others. Also, keep an eye on local culture and norms. We're aiming for stress-free exploring, not hustle to avoid unwanted attention. If the local stray cats are getting less attention than your hair, it might be time to reconsider that destination. Then, let's talk cost. Traveling solo can be affordable if you pick places where your dollar stretches. Think about destinations in Southeast Asia, parts of Africa, yes, Africa, or Latin America. These regions are beautiful and budget-friendly. And finally, pleasure. What are you craving? Whether it's food, art, or sunbathing, pick a place that'll make you feel alive and happy. You're not waiting on anyone else, so make it your own adventure. Next, where to stay. It's all about finding that perfect spot that's budget-friendly, safe, and has good vibes. First tip, hostels with female-only dorms are great for solo travelers. They're usually affordable, and you're surrounded by like-minded women with travel stories galore. It's like your own little solo traveler sorority, minus the college drama. Or, if hostels aren't your thing, try Airbnb. Look for superhost listings and read reviews. Superhosts have a track record, which means they're serious about your comfort and safety. And, if you're up for it, a private room in a shared apartment can give you a mix of privacy and local interaction. But this is not something I will recommend on your first solo trip. Safety-wise, make sure your accommodation has 24-hour reception or a locked entry point. It's all about keeping it secure. Now let's plan your trip like a pro. We're talking budget, transportation, activities, and more. Let's kick it off with flight costs. Use comparison sites like FareDrop or Google Flights to find deals and set price alerts. Another pro tip? Try searching for flights midweek when prices are often lower, or search in incognito mode to avoid price hikes. And if you're flexible on dates, flying on weekdays can sometimes be cheaper too. Every dollar saved means more for your adventures. As for transportation, public transit passes are usually super affordable and can take you almost anywhere. If public transit isn't safe or you're not comfortable, check out Uber or ride-sharing apps where available. Now, let's talk activities. For amazing experiences without blowing the budget, look for free walking tours and local meetups. Apps like Meetup or couchsurfing events often have unique gatherings that aren't in the guidebooks, so you'll discover local favorites without breaking the bank. And here's the thing, don't overplan. Solo travel is a chance to slow down, really see the place, and enjoy just being in the moment. Don't stress about checking off every single site. Remember, you're here to enjoy life, not just collect pictures. All right, time for some serious must-haves. These safety essentials will help you stay prepared and keep you feeling confident on your travels. First up, a portable door lock. You can use it in your hotel or Airbnb, and it's like adding an extra layer of security to your room. Easy to carry and major peace of mind. Then, there's the trusty pepper spray or personal alarm. This little buddy is just a precaution, but it can be really empowering to have on hand. Another one to add to your list? An AirTag for your bag. If it gets misplaced, you'll be able to track it right from your phone. It's a small investment, but saves big on stress. And don't forget the classic emergency contacts list saved on your phone and written down too. Safety apps like Noonlight can share your location and send alerts if you feel unsafe. Ultimately, trust your gut. If something feels off, don't hesitate to walk away or change plans. Your intuition is a powerful guide. Solo travel doesn't mean you're all alone. Finding friends and connecting with the local culture is one of the best parts of traveling solo. If you're looking for friends, hit up couchsurfing events or meetup. Even a local cooking class or language exchange is a great way to meet people and dive into the culture. Plus, when you meet locals, you get all the insider tips, like where the best hidden gems are. And trust me, they're way better than the tourist traps. To really get the most from your experience, take time to just be. Whether it's people watching in a local cafe or chatting with street vendors, these little moments are what make solo travel so special. Remember, this is your time to explore, grow, and enjoy without waiting on anyone else. Embrace every moment and let it be a journey you'll never forget. All right, there you have it. Everything you need to know for your first or next solo adventure. From picking destinations to staying safe and making friends, you're ready to take on the world, one destination at a time. If you enjoyed these tips, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment on where you'd love to solo travel next. Until next time, travel smart, earn more, and live free.